Let's be honest, side hustles are everywhere. TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, everyone's selling the dream. Make 10K a month from your laptop. Quit your 9 to 5. Passive income while you sleep. I got tired of watching. So I decided to test 5 of the most hyped side hustles myself. No filters. No fluff. Just me, a laptop, some savings, and a whole lot of caffeine. Each hustle got 2 weeks. I invested real money. I tracked every dollar. I got scammed once. I made 10K once. And I learned more than any guru ever taught me. Let's dive in. Hustle number 1, Amazon FBA, the inventory jungle. What is it? Amazon FBA, Fulfillment by Amazon, lets you sell products on Amazon. You ship inventory to their warehouse and they handle storage, shipping, and customer service. Setup. I used Jungle Scout to find a product. Bamboo toothbrushes. Eco-friendly, trending, and decent margins. Ordered 200 units from Alibaba, $600. Paid $150 for shipping and $200 for branding. Execution. Created a listing with optimized keywords. Sent inventory to Amazon's warehouse. Just ran a small PPC campaign, $100 budget. Challenges. Customs delayed my shipment. Amazon's seller dashboard is confusing. PPC drained my budget fast. Results. Sold 120 units in 2 weeks. Revenue, $1,800. Profit after fees, $600. Drama level mild. Stressful setup, but once it was rolling, it felt like passive income. Verdict. Legit profit, $600, time, 20 hours. Risk, medium. Hustle number 2, YouTube automation, the faceless fame. What is it? You hire a team to create faceless YouTube videos. You upload them, monetize the channel, and earn ad revenue. Setup, bought a course, $297, and hired a Fiverr team. Scriptwriter, voiceover artist, video editor. Niche, luxury lifestyle. Execution, uploaded 5 videos with titles like Top 10 Most Expensive Yachts. Used TubeBuddy for SEO. Challenges, Fiverr team missed deadlines. 1 video got flagged for reused content. CPMs were lower than expected. Results, gone 200 views total. Revenue, $3.12. Yep. $3. Drama level high. Felt scammed by the course. Fiverr team ghosted me. Verdict, borderline scam. Profit, $400. Time, 15 hours. Risk, high hustle. Murder 3, flipping NFTs, the digital Wild West. What is it? Buy NFTs low, sell high. Simple in theory. Chaotic in practice. Setup, joined Discord groups, followed Twitter hype. Invested $500. Execution, bought 3 NFTs from a hyped project. Flipped 2 for profit. Third one? Rug pull. Challenges, gas fees ate into profit. Discord was chaotic. Scams everywhere. Results? Sold 2 NFTs for $900. Profit $400. Lost $100 on the rug pull. Drama level extreme. 1 minute I was up, the next I was staring at a worthless JPEG. Verdict, risky but real. Profit, $300. Time, 10 hours. Risk, very high. Hustle number 4, drop shipping. The Shopify roller coaster. What is it? You create an online store, list products from suppliers, and when someone buys, the supplier ships it directly to the customer. Setup, used Shopify, $29 a month. Oberlo for product sourcing. Niche, pet accessories. Execution, built a store in 3 days. Ran Facebook ads, $200 budget. Got 12 orders in 2 weeks. Challenges, Facebook ad account got flagged. Shipping delays annoyed customers. The margins were razor thin. Results, revenue, $480, profit, $90. Drama level medium. Felt like a full-time job for tiny returns. Verdict, real but exhausting profit, $90. Time, 30 hours. Risk, medium high hustle. Number 5, freelance copywriting, the underdog. What is it? Writing sales copy, blog posts, or email campaigns for clients. Setup, created a profile on Upwork and Fiverr. Took a $49 copywriting course. Wrote sample pieces. Execution, sent 50 proposals. Landed 3 gigs, blog post, email sequence, product description. It delivered on time, got 5-star reviews. Challenges, rejection rate was high. On first gig paid only 25. You had to hustle hard for visibility. Results, revenue, 1,200. Profit, 1,000. Drama level low. Just good old-fashioned hard work. Verdict, surprisingly profitable. Profit, $1,151. Time, 25 hours. Risk, low, ranking the hustles. From worst to best after testing all 5 side hustles, here's how they stacked up, based on profit, drama, and risk. 5. YouTube automation. This one was a letdown. Between the overpriced course, unreliable Fiverr team, and barely any ad revenue, it ended up costing me money. High drama, high risk, and low reward. Definitely not worth it. 4. Dropshipping. It's real, but exhausting. Building the store and running ads felt like a full-time job, and the profit margins were razor thin. I made a little money, but the effort didn't match the return. 3. NFT flipping. This was a roller coaster. I made some quick cash, but also got burned by a rug pull. It's fast-paced and exciting, but the risk is sky-high. You need serious research and luck to win here. 2. Amazon FBA solid contender. Once the inventory was set up, it ran fairly smoothly. I made decent profit and learned a lot about e-commerce. It's not passive at first, but it can be over time. 1. Freelance copywriting, the surprise winner. It started slow, but once I built momentum, it became a reliable income stream. Low risk, high reward, and scalable. This hustle made me over 10K and continues to grow. The winner reveal, 10K and counting. Here's the twist. After the initial 2 weeks, I kept going with copywriting. I built a portfolio, raised my rates, and landed a long-term client. 3 months later, I crossed $10,000 in earnings. No inventory. No ads. No scams. Just skill, hustle, and consistency. Copywriting shocked me. It wasn't flashy. It wasn't hyped. But it worked. Final thoughts. What I learned. Hype. Profit. The flashiest hustles often have the worst returns. Yeah, skill beats shortcuts. Learning a real skill like writing pays off. You don't trust the gurus. Most are selling courses, not results. Start small. Test before you invest big. Consistency wins. The hustle that grows is the one you stick with. Bonus tips. If you're starting today, pick one hustle. Don't try 5 at once like I did. Set a budget. Know what you can afford to lose. Track everything. Time, money, results. Learn before you earn. Take a course, read a book, practice. Avoid shiny objects. Stick with what works. Final words, I tried 5 side hustles so you don't have to. One made me 10K. One scammed me. The rest taught me lessons I'll never forget. If you're thinking of starting a side hustle, start with something real. Something you can control. Something that builds a skill. And if you're still unsure, try copywriting. It shocked me, and it might just change your life.